in an affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, Centre on Sunday defended its 8 lakh per annum income criterion for determining the economically weaker sections quota for this year. The central government said that it has decided to stick to the existing criterion for the ongoing admissions to the NEET postgraduate courses. Now, the government also added that suggestions given by an expert committee constituted by them to reassess the criteria may be adopted from the next admission cycle. Now, remember, the Supreme Court will be hearing the NEET postgraduate admissions case on January 6th. So this is the latest. In fact, the centre is deciding to stick with the 8 lakh criterion, the per annum income criterion, as far as the economically weaker sections quota of the year is concerned. They, however, did mention that they can reassess it, but for the next academic year, not this time. This is the criterion that they choose to stick by. Remember, the doctors, the resident doctors were out on the streets for the expedition of NEET PG counselling, and this is the bone of contention. This issue will be heard before the Supreme Court on the 6th of January. The EWS quota, the 10% quota for the economically weaker sections of the society, and how do they define it is the income cap, which is 8 lakhs annual income for the entire family. The court, in fact, had issues about how that decision will be actually how they will come to fore with that decision. But this is what we are getting as far as the latest is concerned. My colleague Ayushman now joins me live on the broadcast to bring us up to speed with more developments. Ayushman, the centre, in fact, sticking with that 8 lakh per year annual income quota. But you know, the Supreme Court will actually have to decide whether they want to go ahead with this. Is in fact the bone of contention. Just explain to the viewers the entire stalemate when it came down to the doctors taking to the streets and this EWS 10% quota that we're talking about.
Well, the centre had formed a 3-member committee which was to submit the report, and that report was in turn was to be given to the Supreme Court. Now, the health minister had assured the protesting doctors that the centre from their side will not be delaying any further for the reasons known obvious, because we know that the cases are rising. This report which has been given by the committee has said that somewhere the change of the category and the quota basis the income should not be changed in mid-year, because this will again open a barrage of litigation going to the court. So they have told the centre that somewhere the old system which has been adopted in 2019 should be carried out for this year. And this we have been told that the centre has accepted, and it has also been conveyed to the Supreme Court of India. The centre has given their recommendations and they have accepted the report. And in that it has been said that there will be no changing of criteria, because that criteria which is currently there of 8 lakh will continue. It remains to be seen what happens on 6th of January, because the Supreme Court is expected to hear this matter on 6th of January. The doctors have called off the strike conditionally, that if the resolution to this matter doesn't come on 6th, the protest will again start. So there is a pressure definitely on the government to make sure that the Supreme Court gives a verdict in this, because right now we are being told that centre has told the Supreme Court that they accept the recommendation and they want the Supreme Court to allow the counselling to begin.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast.